The Takumi company is a partnership with the American LDI Group, making Takumi a truly global machine tool brand. The Takumi brand has been a leader in high-speed, high-precision machine tools since the company was founded in 1988. With their new line of H10 machining centers, they are drawing on years of excellence in research and development to deliver a superb product line that's specially tailored to meet the exacting needs of the mold-making industry. The design of the H10 series has been very carefully crafted, and Takumi's engineers have produced some unique structural features to enhance rigidity and structural stiffness and dramatically reduce deflection issues. The two-block design provides a much stronger structure to resist torsional stresses, and the 1:10 weight ratio design allows for a much more stable machine, providing the perfect surface finish customers need. The special design of the head on the H10 uses linear guides to provide the 500 mm of Z-axis travel. This allows the head to be much shorter and lighter, allowing much faster traversing and also reducing deflection issues by maintaining a constant distance from the guides to the spindle. Takumi provides two controller options with the H10, each of which provides special functions developed to simplify machining setup and allow easier operation for customers. On the FANUC controller we have four key functions that have been developed by Takumi for customers. Additionally, for those customers choosing the Heidenhain controller, Takumi have developed a dynamic spindle runout compensation device function to provide mold makers with the very highest accuracy. The Takumi H10 high-speed bridge-type machining center really lives up to the company's motto of outstanding value. With a unique reduced weight and enhanced rigidity design, superb surface finish, and a range of Takumi-designed operational features to provide customers with reduced setup and operational times. For the mold making and other industries requiring the very best in surface finish, this is a great choice and one that will greatly enhance your machining operations.